Next Level Mindset with another powerful and positive video talking about the YouTube evolution. 3 things we need to succeed and win big. I'm going to share my experience, things that have worked on my channel. Make sure you stay with me on this all the way through. I've got some bonus PowerPoints, next level strategies, probably the toughest. You will not get it like this anywhere else. By the fact that you're watching and listening to this video right now, this is confirmation that you're way ahead of the curve. And this is an early bonus point. Number 1, something that works for one channel may not necessarily work for every channel, but we'll talk about that as we get into this. And the first thing that we need to know with this YouTube evolution, if we're going to succeed and win big, we need to be ready to do all types of formats, live streams, video clips, little short videos, using the community tab. There's all different types of ways that we can do this. Definitely using your comment section, and they have it now where you can respond to a comment with the video, with the short. So I'm learning to use the hybrid method. That's what they call it when you use all formats. And there was a time when everyone was worried about the short videos, how they would mess up the channel, messing up the algorithm. It wasn't connected yet at that time. But now we're reaching a time when YouTube is making those connections, doing different things, making it so that everyone in the YouTube platform can have something to enjoy. There are some people who do not like long live streams. They only enjoy short form videos. So I started making shorts to reach out to those. There are others who may not want to spend 10, 15 minutes on a video, but they'll spend 3 to 4 minutes. So I make clips on my channel. So I want to encourage you, keep that in mind as you begin to craft your videos, as you begin to do different things. You can make long streams, you can make long live streams, you can make long form videos, make clips, make shorts, use your community tab. All formats is what's really going to be working in this YouTube evolution, because YouTube is evolving, changing fast. And so what has worked for me is to have a format for every viewer out there. Whenever a viewer comes on the platform, they've got something from my channel that they can enjoy. And by the way, if this is your first time here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel right now if you want to stay empowered and inspired together. We're on our road to 5K. Love to have you here as a part of Next Level. The next thing we need in order to succeed with this YouTube evolution is we need to avoid being burnt out. A lot of times, a lot of content creators are getting burnt out because they forget to have fun. They forget to have fun. And so I'm learning, have fun, doing what you're doing. Make sure it's something that you love and enjoy. And the one thing about my channel, I'm one of those ones breaking the rules. I'm one of those ones who are breaking the so-called rules about how you should put your videos together. A lot of times they say you should niche down talking about one thing. But I've redefined that niche. I've had a evolution on what a niche means. And the niche is not just content, ideas. It's really the viewer who is enjoying those different ideas. So take it from me. A lot of times you have to break those rules. Remember, we talked about something that works for one channel may not necessarily work for the other one. You may have to break those rules and do things just a little differently. You might have to experiment with some things. Having fun will help you to avoid getting burnt out because now you're excited about what you're doing. And another thing that helps you with burnout, having a higher purpose. What is my higher purpose for that channel? For example, for my channel, it's not just about being able to create an income, to be able to get paid, being a content creator, which is one of the goals. Maybe you're looking at that. We'll talk about monetization coming up in a minute. But it's not just about that. For me, this channel is about reaching spiritually minded individuals, sharing my inspiration, my hope, my strength, my goals, my experience to let you know that you can advance every area of life to the next level. That's what my channel is really all about. So think about that in your life, on your journey. What's your goal? Having a higher purpose alongside your creation is one of the main things that keeps you from getting burnt out on this. And another thing to remember is that what I've learned along my journey is that a lot of people, they get burnt out only because they haven't decided on what they want to do. But once you reach that level of clarity, you decide this is how I'm going to do what I'm doing. This is who I'm going to be on my channel. I'm going to be clear about my audience, clear about my ideas, clear about my branding, who I am, what I bring to the channel. Once that clarity kicks in, having fun, having a higher vision with YouTube evolving the way it is, There's no reason that you need to get burnt out. You can enjoy what you're doing. You can enjoy what you're doing, having fun, having an impact on other people's lives. The next thing we need is to start early with our monetization. A lot of people wait until they get into the YouTube partner program. We don't have to wait until we have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time. We can start early in the monetization process. And the way YouTube is evolving, they've even reduced the monetization requirements. They've reduced it to 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time. But YouTube is still evolving, and I suspect and predict they're going to reduce those requirements even more as competition starts to grow. Let me know in the comments if you can see that coming. I'd like to know your thoughts on that. But yeah, you can start early with the monetization process. So many people, they wait till later on until they start thinking about making quality videos, thinking about making an impact with their monetization methods, thinking about monetizing before the YouTube partner program. You can get creative and do it right now. In fact, I talk about how you can start monetizing and making money on YouTube as a small channel. I'll put a card for that right there, and you can check that out in your own time. But yeah, monetize early. Start with affiliate links. Get some digital products. Maybe you could reference some videos that you have. Maybe you could start a membership. There's all types of ways we can start right now to monetize our content. YouTube is evolving so fast right now. Revolution, evolution, taking it to the next level. And we can stay ahead of the trend. All we have to do is keep these principles in mind. In fact, there's another thing that we need. All you really need is the right idea. That one idea can change the trajectory of your channel. All it takes is that one idea. So I want to encourage you and empower you. Be creative, be bold enough, step out, get it done. A lot of other channels are doing it, and those who enjoy you, they'll invest in you just like they would anywhere else. They're willing to invest in anyone bringing value. Why not let it be you? Now, I've got a bonus insight, a next level strategy that I want to share. But first, I want to share this with you. I've got to tell you about Amazon. If you need it, Amazon probably has it. They are the host of my songs. They host my merchandise. They also host my books, Mystic Secrets of the Bible, Divorced and Still Destined for Greatness. They are the host of my channel, so check them out with the links in the description. And if you decide to buy my books on that site, leave us a review. We'd love to know that we've been a blessing to you as well. If you are enjoying the content on my channel, consider becoming a member. We have a membership that you can join for exclusive content, behind the scenes, never seen by anyone else. You can cancel it anytime, enter on any level that you want to enter in on. And if you're a content creator, you could also create your own Buy Me a Coffee membership site as well. So make sure you do that. Buy a coffee, take one of my books home with you. Any way you want to do it, there's links in the description for you to do just that. So if you're ready to succeed and win big in this YouTube evolution, let me hear you say, I am. Type it in the comments, I am ready to do this. And there's 3 things you also need. This is a bonus point. You need a device. Any device will work. You really don't need the equipment. You don't need the fancy cameras. You don't need the fancy microphones. All you need is a device to get started. Your Android, that's number 1. Second thing, you need an idea. You can take any video idea, go out there and study. I've studied other channels and take the details from other channels, learn from what's working, take an idea from that, put your own twist on it, that idea. The third thing you'll need is a plan, just a plan of operation. Think about what we talked about, that first year, give yourself that 1 year, never giving up, not worrying about how things turning out, learning as you go. This is what has helped me along my journey. And so I'm excited about it. I have times when I take breaks from it, but I'm excited about being able to share with you the mission, the gifts, my talents, inspiration that you could use along your journey. So keep these PowerPoints in mind with YouTube evolving, changing so much. In fact, I talk about how you can start monetizing and making money on YouTube as a small channel. I talk more about that in this video right here coming up on the screen. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out right now. Enjoy it. Thanks again for subscribing and always coming back to the channel. You really mean a lot here. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Subscribe to help us get our goal. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up, always stay true. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.